Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goal or goal for the steps on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the activity icon, this one, like this circle made out of red, green and blue colors. Tap on it, and here we have the steps, and we have the goal for steps. As you can see, it's 8,000. To change the goal, we need to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of this page you will see the settings option. Tap on it. My bad, not this one, not settings. Now scroll down, and at the bottom you will see the goal settings. Tap on it, and here select steps, tap on the check mark, and then adjust the goals. We can tap right here, adjust the goal for the steps. You can also adjust the goal for the fat burn time and the goal for the stand time, I believe. And once you're done adjusting the goals, you can tap on the check mark, and if you go back to the activity app, you will see that the goal was applied. And that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.